Hi kids. Today, we are going to learn the table of 4. Let's say it together. Ready? Let's go. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Great job, kids. Say this table every day and you'll remember it in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning.